Nobody wants to move into an HOA that's neglected. Driving into a neighborhood, you don't want to see landscape overgrown, exterior paint chipping, roads are in terrible shape, siding is rotting, and a host of other possible red flags. Homeowners associations have a responsibility of ensuring maintenance items are addressed so property values remain high, which is why board members should be familiar with something referred to as a preventative maintenance plan. This video is going to outline what this plan looks like and why it's so important. In the past few years, states have begun to pass legislation requiring that homeowners associations have a plan in place to address annual maintenance issues, specifically for townhomes and condominiums. This was initiated by home builders who wanted to ensure that associations were taking the proper care of their community as to avoid a premature construction defect claim. Sure, on the surface, this may appear to only protect home builders, but a preventative maintenance plan should be embraced by all townhome and condominium associations for a host of reasons. It shouldn't be a surprise that a preventative maintenance plan should be a written or electronic document that outlines the various aspects the association is responsible to maintain, a schedule of when items are to be addressed, and included in your budget to ensure that there are funds to complete these items. This plan should be made available to homeowners so everyone is on the same page about the condition of the property and assurance that there are steps being taken to maintain the community. So let's make a quick distinction between a preventative maintenance plan and a reserve study. Note that a reserve study remains critical to plan for future capital improvement projects that uses the association's reserve funds, while a preventative maintenance plan should be funded using the association's operating or checking account. As many governing documents read, the association is responsible for the maintenance, repair, and replacement of the common elements. The purpose of this PMP plan is to extend the life of components. It's irresponsible for an HOA to allow common elements to degrade when there is something that can be done about it. Simply put, routine maintenance helps to prevent an HOA from having to pursue large capital improvement projects sooner than they have to. If a preventative maintenance plan sounds daunting for a board to do themselves, there are many reserve study companies and contractors that can complete this plan for you. Once this plan is created, it's recommended that a contractor or professional perform annual inspections using this plan as a guide to note the condition of the property each year and provide estimates on the costs to aid in the board's efforts to budget for these repairs. Please note that if you have created a PMP, a preventative maintenance plan, and you don't follow it, there can be a liability risk to the association. When a board determines the association needs more funds for day-to-day expenses, maintenance, and future reserve projects, a notice out to homeowners that dues are increasing for the next fiscal year can be met with frustration from some members in the community. Homeowners who respond this way are typically uninformed. They may be completely unaware that routine vendors have increased prices in the past year, past board members chose maybe not to increase dues enough over time, and in general are disconnected from the costs needed to maintain the property. A preventative maintenance plan, in addition to an updated reserve study, can be used as an educational tool by the board to help homeowners understand that an increase to dues is justified. So if your HOA does not have a preventative maintenance plan, we strongly consider having one created. This will help the board develop an action plan to address various aspects of the community that need repair. As always, we sincerely appreciate you watching this video and continue to spread the word, as our channel has videos covering an array of HOA specific topics. Lastly, please subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you next time. Thank you so much.